Hey, it's Similolu here and welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to go over step by step how I made a tidy profit trading Amazon. I'm going to show you the details of what made me choose to trade Amazon, why I made the particular entries I made and why I exited. Everything I show you, it's as good as looking over my shoulder. It's something I wish I could have done when I started trading, to be mentored by someone who was a more seasoned trader. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you do, don't forget to like it, drop me your comments, but most importantly, I hope you subscribe to my channel. So let's get right into it. I will show you exactly what I did to trade Amazon on this particular day. So it's basically 4 things to this setup. Because I had traded Amazon previously, I knew to set up alerts on it to let me know the next time conditions were favorable to trade it. So the first thing is for me to identify when I want to trade. Once I've identified when I want to trade, then the next step is for me to set an alert. After I've set the alert, then I quickly look it over to make sure the conditions are exactly what I'm looking for. Then I enter into the trade. Okay, so let's move right into it. So right here we have a daily chart of Amazon. Pretty much all I have as far as indicators are the VWAP, which is the purple dotted line. And this green line here is a 9-day exponential moving average. Now I'm going to draw a level, and I'm going to click on my little level button there, and we're going to show a 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 4, and 5. On these 5 days, the price of Amazon attempted each time to go past this point. On this first attempt, it did go up to 3,300 here, but it retraced and ended up closing down on the day. And since then, it hasn't been able to get past this point. So I'm going to draw a level right there. I really am only interested in trading Amazon whenever price action breaks beyond this level. So I'm going to set an alert. I'm trading on THINKORSWIM by TD Ameritrade. And to do that, you basically right click. And it's here somewhere, create alert withdrawing. I'm going to click on that. And I'm looking for when price action closes above that level. So I'm going to click create. Probably what I want to do, because I don't know when this is going to occur. It could be in a day, it could be in 2 days, it could be in 50 days. So at that point, when I get an alert, I probably want to make a note to myself why I'm getting this alert. So I'm going to say something like price action breakout above previous high. Okay, so hopefully that should alert me and remind me as to why I'm getting this alert. Now this is done. I'm going to sit back and wait. At this point, I got an alert. So I got an alert at 9:37 a.m. 4 days later. I'm only interested in trading Amazon at the point at which price action breaks above this level that I had set 4 days prior. So this is the first point to know when to trade. The next thing is to find a good entry point. So 1 minute after the alert, 2 minutes after the alert, at the 3rd minute after the alert, price action retraced below the level, and this is the point at which to enter into the trade. So the minute I saw that price action bounced off this level and headed higher, I entered into the trade on this 4th candle. I have the VWAP here because if price action had been beneath VWAP, I wouldn't even consider this trade at all. As you can see, price action then proceeded higher. The next thing to do after entering a trade is to set your stop. Usually you want to set your stop at the bottom of the candle just before the one at which you entered in. So I entered in at this green one and I set my stop right down here, the bottom of the red one. So let's enter that right down here. So that's where I entered my stop. The next thing, after price action has increased, I'm now looking for a good exit point. Of course, I don't want to exit if there's still more potential for price action to go higher. Equally, I don't want to exit once price action starts dropping. So I stayed in this trade. Price action pretty much was heading higher. We had a little dip down here. And normally speaking, if you're risk averse, you probably want to exit the trade at this point. But every trade needs to be considered at its merit. And for me, trading Amazon, I wasn't going to exit after just these 2 1-minute candles had broken below my moving average. I stayed in a little longer. Now here we have 1 candle close below, 2 candles. At this 3rd candle closing below, I exited the trade. Again, there was a possibility for me to stay in the trade up to this point. Up to this point where it dropped below VWAP, but I prefer to be a little safe and exit at this particular candle. Of course, zooming out, you can see that price action actually did come all the way down before it started attempting to move back up again. And so that is it for this video. I hope it's helped you in some way. I hope it helps to improve your trading to some degree. Many of these strategies, it's taken me years to perfect and to hone them. And I hope this really makes your journey a little quicker than it has been for me. Please don't forget to like and comment below. But most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll meet you on the next video.